Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find internships on Wellfound. So let's go straight into it. Now you need to be logged in into your profile. Then here on the left side, go here to the jobs. Like so. Okay, so now apply the internship filter. So this you will see here filters. Click on that. And now scroll down a little bit under the job details. You will see job types and select internship. Like so. You can also select here what company details and so on. And then hit view results. Like that. And right here you will see now some job offers for internship. So you can play also with filter, as I mentioned, that you get specifically what you want. Also, in previous video, I showed you how you can set location preferences and time zones. So check this video that you know also that trick. And yeah, that's basically it, how you can search for internship. And I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.